And welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com.
With Christmas just around the corner, Jamaicans are feeling the pinch as the cost of living continues to rise.
The latest data from Statin shows an inflation rate of 1% for November, driven by a 2.1% increase in food prices, with items like vegetables, plantains and tubers seeing the steepest hikes.
The higher costs are being blamed on supply shortages caused by Tropical Storm Rafael and the rising electricity rates, which have also added to household expenses.
So as the holiday season approaches, many are carefully balancing their spending on food, gifts and festivities. Deidre Thomas has the story of one Jamaican.
9 days to Christmas. Inside Marjorie Lewis's refrigerator, 2 onions, a little seasoning, and that's not expected to change. Many families will gather around the table for Christmas, but for the last 5 years, this family has been missing out on the festivities.
I was married for 20 years and gunman come and kill my husband who used to help me. And family killing me, I was struggling, buy food some of the time.
The pain of his loss echoes, much like a silent night without a star. With Christmas right around the corner, the holiday that once brought light to her family is a harsh reminder of loss and hardship. Marjorie is a day's worker. On average, a day's worker earns between $4,500 to $5,000 per job. But of late, they're slow to come by, and with the rising cost of food, she can barely make ends meet to take care of her family.
You can't buy a piece of potato because everything there town. When you go to town and look for something in the sky, so we can't buy the mutton off it $1,000 a pound. Ox tail of it $1,500 a pound. One bread now, $600 for one bread. 1 pound of chicken back at home, I get $250 for a pound of chicken back. 1 pound of chicken hours, some of them $450 for $500. All poor people can survive.
Like a child waiting by the tree for a gift that never comes, she has been left waiting for help that never arrived.
Me go ask Miss Holiness, care 2 letters up about the house and thing, and me not get a response. Me go buy food for the poor, me not get a response either. Me go down a part, me not get a response either. Nobody busy, nobody again. They will hear your story, you know. But when you write down in a book, write them down in a book. Listen to you, write down in a book, you know. But when the help come, nobody busy, nobody again.
This experience has led her to believe
it was for the rich and not for the poor, because the poor cannot afford it.
While her husband's legacy is visible from the outside of her home, that's where the comfort ends. The interior tells a different story. A crammed shared bedroom with no bathroom. Marjorie and her family are forced to walk to nearby bushes to use this one. Several packs of pills are all around her as she struggles to cope with depression. Drinking water, a mosquito hub. In the face of all her struggles, there's only one thing she truly desires.
The biggest wish is Christmas. Me don't want food.
At a popular supermarket I visited, the cheapest whole chicken cost $1,549 plus tax. On average, 1 pound of rice cost $179. Red peas, $438. Lettuce, $1,108. 2 tomatoes, $289. And a bottled drink, $302.66. Marjorie has been opting for the cheaper protein.
I just flour and rice till mackerel and chicken back here for lip and to mouth.
On average, it costs $672.36 per pound. The imported version, $472.20. In part 2, we'll speak with vendors, consumers, and businesses navigating the cost of this Christmas.